Hey guys, it's me, Doug. I'm back at the couch here. Let's see, how should I put this? I'm thinking of ideas how I'm going to do my entry beetle for the air cooled group build, hosted by myself, the group build, air cooled group build 25. And I thought I'd show you my idea with this beetle kit. So this is the beetle kit I'll be using. This is a Tamiya 1966 beetle. Has a 1300 engine in it, and show you what the parts look like. Here's the body. Does have an opening trunk, so that's kind of cool. Here's the glass of it, headlights, taillights, and all that. We have some more body parts and interior parts right here. We got 5 tires, that'd be including the spare. We got one chrome tree with it has very nice chrome bumpers and everything else in there. Then we have the black tree right here. Um, we have detailed suspension, engine. Looks like gonna be a good kit to build. And it has those very authentic looking details on the wheels. And yeah. But so like I was saying, this is gonna be kind of a special build for me. And probably one that you guys all love. And it's part of the car culture movie car type thing. It's an older movie, but I know there's some modern versions of it. I don't want to give it away, but I'm gonna transform this mild mannered beetle into a crazy zany movie car that everybody loves, and he always helps people, but he's always picked on. So, with that in mind, and what I'm saying right there, I have these decals I found in my decal stash that once I lay down the paint and the interior and all that and build it all up, I'm gonna make him into the mighty race car that he should be, with the 53 decals and the blue, red, and white stripes there. So that's my plans with this group build for this one, for the Beetle kit here. And let me know what you guys think of that. And um, any help with the reference on like interior colors or engine colors, or I have a general idea what the color of the body should be, at least white, and I know it should be at least a gray and maybe like a rag top on the top of it. So, but I'll work with it and try to do what I can with it, and it won't be it won't be a movie correct version, but it'll be close enough to it. It'll be a Doug version. So, thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day, guys. All right, bye.